We have just one password box, so let's turn this into two boxes by using the repeated field type. Let's also change the email field to be an email type. The repeated field type is special because it actually renders two fields. In this case, password fields. If the two values don't match, a validation error will show up. If you refresh, you'll see the two fields. Oh no, attack of the clones! The email field looks the same, but if you inspect it, you'll see that it's an input email field, an HTML5 field type that should be used. Head over to Symfony's documentation and go into the reference section. There, you'll find a page called Form Field Type Reference. This is awesome. It shows you all of the built-in field types and the options you can pass to each. For example, if you click Repeated, it shows you how to customize the error message that shows up if the fields don't match and some other stuff. Use this section to your advantage. Now look back at our two password fields. This highlights a very special aspect about the way forms work. Specifically, a single field may in fact be one or many fields. When you use the repeated field type, it creates two subfields called first and second. To see what I'm talking about, replace the form row that renders the password field with two lines, one that renders the first box and one that renders the second. When we refresh, we see exactly the same thing. I just wanted to highlight how password is really now two fields, and we can render them individually or both at once. If this feels confusing, don't worry. This concept is a little bit more advanced. Since first and second are, well, terrible labels, let's change them. One way to do this is by adding a second argument to form row and passing a label key. Refresh. Much better.